For so long I have waited, so long that I almost became just a stoic statue.